We're unboxing something here at Tech360.tv that is not a phone nor a camera. It is this. Come on, I'll give you a few seconds to figure out what this is. It is made by Dyson, but it's not a fan, it is not a vacuum cleaner. Yep, it's a hairdryer. It's an intelligent hairdryer. According to Dyson, it's so intelligent that it will regulate the heat settings so that you don't get heat damage on your hair. It maximizes airflow with the hole. It amplifies the air 3 times more than normal. The shape is so unconventional. The motor is actually right here. So again, Dyson claiming that holding it here, you balance the hairdryer. The weight is not on this part, so it's easier for you to blow dry. There's a filter here that is easy to clean. You can use the styling tools. It's magnetic. Maybe I should borrow somebody with hair. Jamie, I'm gonna style Jamie's hair. Why don't you sit down here? Now you have curls. And it comes with this, which is, can you guess what it is? It's a non-slip mat so that your dryer won't fall off your vanity table at home. So there you go, this is a Dyson Supersonic